Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, primary 6. I am Ms. Shreen. I will be today with you in a math revision. Today we were talking about bars. We have studied it before in primary 6. Okay. First, to know about bars, let's remember about multiplication. Okay. If I have here 2 plus 2 plus 2, so I have here 2 repeated 3 times in addition operation. Okay. I can instead all of this, I can write that 2 repeated 3 times, so I can write it as 2 multiply 3 to get the answer 6. Okay. Here I change the addition operation to multiplication operation. 2 is repeated 3 times, so 2 multiply 3 equals 6. Our lesson today is like this, but in the multiplication, our repeated multiplication. Okay. If I have here 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, so 2 here multiply by itself. Okay. It multiplies 3 times. I have 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. How can I write this in a simplest form? Okay. 2 is the number I repeated. Okay. So I will write 2 as here. Okay. 2, how many times it's repeated? It's repeated 1, 2, 3. It's repeated 3 times. So I will write up here 3 by small 3. Okay, 2 and small 3. It means that number 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Okay, I can read it as 2 power 3. It's 2 power 3. Okay. 3 is the power. Okay, our lesson today is repeated multiplication or powers. Okay, in our lesson we will learn how to use powers and how to add powers and multiply. How do every operation on number have a power? Okay, first we know that the number and bars is the times of repetition. Okay, if I have here 4 power 2, it means that number 4 multiply by itself 2 times. So 4 power 2 it's equal 4 multiply 4. It's not equal to 4 multiply 2. Don't do this mistake. Okay, 4 power 2 it's equal 4 multiply 4. Again, if I have 6 power 3, it means that 6 multiplied by itself 3 times. So I have here 6 multiply 6 multiply 6. It's 6 multiplied by it. Together it's a 3 times. The answer will be 216. It's not equal to 6 multiplied 3. Okay. I can do this operation for a negative number. Yes. See, if I have here negative 2 power 3, it means that negative 2 power 3 power here is for the all of negative and 2. Power 3 is for negative and 2. So what's the number repeated? It's negative 2. So this will be negative 2 multiply negative 2 multiply negative 2, negative multiply negative multiply negative. So the answer will be negative, and each 2 negative will be positive. Negative multiply negative will be positive. Positive multiply negative is negative. 2 multiply 2 it's equal 4. 4 multiply 2 equal 8. So the answer will be negative 8. Okay. Okay. This number I called it base. The number which repeated, it's called base. Okay, the base and its power. Base, I said, can be positive number or negative number. It can be a fraction. It's like 1/2 all power 4. It means if I have here power 4 for all fraction, it means that 1 has the power and 2 have the power. It's like 1 power 4, and the 4 will be distributed also in 2, and 2 also power 4. So the answer will be 1 power 4 equal 1. 2 power 4, it means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So the answer will be 16. So the answer will be 1/16. So if I have negative number, I multiply. Okay, I have a note. Okay, if the power are odd number, so I get the negative in my answer. Okay, 3 is odd number, so I have negative in my answer. If the power are positive or even number, so I get the answer is a positive number. It's like negative 1 power 100. Okay, it's a negative number, and 100 is an even number. If I have even number, so the result will be positive. If I have an odd number, so the result will be negative. Here I have a negative, it's not positive, not a negative. And 1 power 100 means I multiply 1 by itself 100 times. So 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, so the answer will be always 1. Okay, so the answer here will be 1. If I have here negative 1 power 111. 111 is an odd number. Okay, if I have the power odd number, then the result will be negative. And 1 power any number is equal a 1, so here the number is equal negative 1. Okay, I talked about the base, if he positive or if he negative, and according to the power, if it's odd or even, I get the result negative or positive. Okay, the power may be negative, may be positive, may be 0. Okay, for the first one, if I have 1 power of 0, any number power of 0 is equal 1. Okay, have another example. 100 power of 0, it's equal also 1. Negative 17 power of 0, it's also equal 1. Any number power of 0 equal 1. Any number, small number, huge number, negative number, any number power of 0 except 0 equal 1. Okay, it's a very important information. Okay, if I have here 3 power 2, I have also 3 negative power negative 2. Okay, 3 power 2, it means 3 multiply 3, called 9. Here, if I have a negative power, we will make a flip. Okay, how? 3 power negative 2, it's equal 3 power 2. To make the power positive, we will flip this fraction. Okay, we get here 3 power 2 and 1 in the numerator. Okay, if the power can be 0, so the answer will be 1. The power can be positive number, I do it as we know. The power can be negative number, so I flip this number. Okay. The other rules, it's about when I have two numbers and I want to multiply it or add it or addition, making the operation on it. Okay, if I have here 2 power 3 plus 3 power 2, what's the answer? In addition, if the number have a power, I can't do the addition in this shape. Okay, I must get the number, I must get the result of any number A alone. Okay, I can't do in this addition. Okay, I can't do the addition. Okay, so I here get 2 power 3 equal 8 plus 3 power 2 equal 9, so the answer here equal 17. I can't use any rules for the bars. I make this number as a result and then I add. Okay, but if I have here 2 power 2 plus 2 power 5, I have here the same base. Okay, it's the same thing. I can't do operation when I have powers. Okay, it's 2, but I can't do the addition operation. So I get the result first. In addition, and subtraction, I get the result first. Okay, 2 power 2 equal 4 plus 2 power 5 equals 32. So the answer here is 36. Okay, I can't do the rule of powers in this case. In addition and subtraction, I can't do the rule of powers. Okay, I can use the rule of power when I have the multiplication and division. How? I have here 2 power 3 multiply 2 power 4. Okay, to make the multiplication, I must have the same base. I must have 2 here and 2 here. I must have the same base to make the rule. What's the rule? In multiply, we add. In division, we subtract. When I multiply, then add powers. When I divided, I will subtract powers. Okay? Okay, my rule, my big rule in the powers is about when I multiply the same base, two numbers have the same base, then I will plus the power, I will add the powers. If I divided two numbers have the same base, I will subtract powers. In this example, I have the multiplication and have the same base. Base of my base is 2. But I can't multiply the numbers, okay? So number have a power, I can't multiply it as the timetable, okay? 2 multiply 2, it is the same number, it is the same base, so I will write 2. Then multiply, then I will add the powers. 3 and 4, 3 plus 4 equals 7. So here the answer will be 7. 2 power 7 means 2 multiplied by itself 7 times. Here 2 multiplied power 3 means 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. Here 2 power 4 means 2 multiplied itself by 4 times. Then the answer will be the same 2 multiplied by itself by 7 times. Okay. I can't use this rule when I have different base. I must have the same base. Okay. In different 5 power 9 divided 5 power 7. Divided and have the same base, so the answer will be the same base. And 9 minus 7, I do subtraction because it's a division operation. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 5 power 2, it's equal 25. Okay, I can't use this rule if I have the different base. The division can write by this method, and I can write as 5 over 9 over 5 over 7. If have the same base, then I subtract, so the answer also will be 5 power 2. It's a small revision about bars. We took bars in next year also. Okay, I hope you learn it today and remember what's about our bars. Okay, our session finished today. See you in next week, inshallah. Bye bye.